Dog claws. I'm an idiot. Oh my god, it's crooked as shit. Ooh! I know this glue, honey.
Now everybody sing that shit.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl TayPancakes, aka Taylor Stevens, aka Tay. One of these days, I'm gonna really come out here sounding like a singer. Sorry, my allergies acting up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. What's up? What's up? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Oh, I just really remembered I still have on my do-rag, so let me go ahead and take it off and get these waves out. My waves, they look crazy. Oh my god, give me a second. Okay, honey boo boo child, sometimes the finger waves is cute, sometimes they not. It's always a surprise. Okay, well, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And you're probably like, who is this girl sitting in her living room with the echoey walls with no furniture? It's your girl TayPancakes in her new apartment in Atlanta. It's nice in here. It's nice. Maybe I'll do it before I get some furniture, and I'm broke, so it's gonna be like a little bit of time before I get some furniture. So before y'all make some comments talking about you ain't got no furniture, now you know. So since we're on the topic of broke, girl, we are going to sit here and we're going to go to Taylor's nail salon. These are nails on a budget. These are, I can't go to the nail salon and get my nails done because it's $500 just to get your cuticles clipped. We're gonna go ahead and work on this budget. So these acrylic nails, this is what they look like. Yeah, so they're supposed to be salon quality acrylics. We gonna see. The never chips, and they're 10 times stronger. You can wear them natural or polished. So I'm gonna try natural because, as y'all know from my last nail video, I don't know why I cannot polish my nails, but this polish looks like garbage, sis. Let's get some focus going here. So these are the nails. As you can see, that is where I chipped it. I mean, mess up the polish right here. As you can see, I don't do well with the polishes, and that's okay. We're here. This is a learning experience. So it says for these ones, I have tried the acrylic kits, I have tried the dip nail kits, I have tried the gel kits, but baby, this is just, I think this is just press on. It says it's actually kind of hard to get them off. You actually have to soak the nails to get them off, but I don't know how much I believe that. It says that you just have to apply the glue to your natural nail, glue the artificial nail, align with the cuticle, and press on and hold for 5 seconds. Sounds easy enough. So they're kind of like almond shaped, and I'm gonna just have to deal with it because I couldn't afford the nail file and it got lost on the move here. So, and I got some strawberries while I do this. So let me go ahead and put some sugar up on these strawberries real quick. It's not strawberry season, so I mean, I'm sitting here acting like I don't douse my strawberries in sugar even when it is strawberry season. Just delicious, delectable, amazing. Hold on. Honey, my new neighbors probably like, this bitch is loud. Shut up. These are some good strawberries. Okay. So I have like blue tint on my real busted nails from this blue hair dye. Wow, my finger waves look a mess. I swear they look better than this sometimes. Go on my other videos, I promise. Bitch. It come with a nail file and the cuticle pusher back. You know, this is why it's a bang for your buck. How much did I pay for these? I think I paid like $8 or $9 for these. And you know what? This is a dope busted deal. I got a nail filer and a cuticle pusher backer. So what I learned from the other kits To make the glue, the adhesive hold more, I'm going to file my nail base a little bit. We're trying to get these to last a long time. I wish they could last a month because that's how long it is until YouTube gives me my next check. So I'm pushing my cuticles back, honey. We pushing them back. As far as the vlog, I know y'all wanted to see my road trip across the country. For those of you that don't know, I lived in Los Angeles before this, and I drove from Los Angeles, Woodland Hills to be exact, to Atlanta, Georgia. Honey, that was a 4-day experience. Me and my best friend almost killed each other from being in that car all day, every day. But it was still a really good experience. I'm gonna put some clips, and I have a story time. I have 2 story times. I have a story time about this apartment when I first moved in. Basically, I thought somebody was living in my ceiling. That's gonna be interesting. Anyway, so we pushed our cuticles back. Did I file the same? Just not. Y'all know how to file nails. I'm gonna just show y'all, I guess, just in case you don't. Just put them in and go like that. Boom, you filed them. I don't know. I guess it's technically me showing you how to do it, so I guess I should show y'all. So now we're gonna open our nails. So these are what they're looking like. We have our display joints in the front. Of course, you can use the display. Don't be shy from them. I really hope that these look natural and that people are like, oh, where you get your nails done? But I doubt that's gonna happen. Okay, let me look for these numbers everybody keeps saying. Every time I do these videos, y'all be like, look for the numbers on the back of the nail so you know how to make. It's numbers on the back of the nail. I was about to get the hoot and hollering like, y'all lying, but it's numbers on the back of the nail. So we're going to do what we always do, and we're going to match them to our thick fingers. My fingers are thick. I wish my booty was. I'm living like really interestingly right now. I don't have my Wi-Fi yet. Comes tomorrow, and I'm sleeping on the air mattress. Don't tell nobody, but I'm sleeping on an air mattress. My back hurt. I gotta live like this until I get paid next month. Like, this is a mess. What was I thinking? Like, I was like, oh, let me drive across country and then live in Atlanta. But I'm like, okay, like, you got bills to pay. You got rent to pay. What was I thinking? I got a car payment to pay. And now I could buy a bed for like $100, but I want a good mattress. Like, I'm trying to wait. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So, in case in these videos that's about to come up, I'm a little cranky, it's because my back hurt from sleeping on an air mattress. And it kind of started to deflate in the middle of the night because I got it from Walmart. So you gotta it's a lot. But that's off topic. Y'all don't care about that. Anyway, so we are going to fit the nails.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school.
How am I supposed to read these numbers?
Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love it one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just read it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just read it and delete it.
So I have discovered that these seem to be regular on old press-on nails because I know this glue, honey. I know this glue. I know this glue. Anybody who has put on press-on nails know this glue. It literally says it's better than Salon acrylic. And I think I was just so masked in my brokenness that I was like, yo, you sold me and it's cheap. I'm buying it. Like, this must be the way that y'all made it so girls in the position that I'm in right now can really flourish and don't have to go to the nail salon. But y'all lied because I know this glue. This glue is regular. Y'all hear that? I need a dog. Good old handy dandy nail glue. That Kiss Pink Gel Nail Glue. This is Kiss? It didn't say Kiss. I think part of the label here is broken off because it doesn't say Kiss. Any Kiss brand anywhere on here. It's saying in fine letters at the bottom. If it was different glue, I'd be like, okay, pew, it's a possibility that this could be different than the rest, but it's not. They duped me. They got me. That's okay. That's okay. Niggas caught me slipping. It's okay. So what? So you just twisty the party off the top of the naily. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I went to 6. I'm not even gonna show you what this nail look like because they look kind of like dog claws. There's bubbles in my glue. It's not looking bad. You know, like from afar, if you like move your hand like all the way away from your face, it's not that bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my god, it's crooked as shit. Ooh! Ooh! I can't get it off. I can't get it. Oh my gosh! Hold up. Oh! It's all ruined. That is embarrassing. But it's on there securely. Like, sis, I cannot lift it up. It's stuck. This is when my nails decide to be secure. This is when. Yep, that's always how it happens. That is always how they get a hold. Like, I cannot get over this. I'm an idiot. Oh, wow. I got some glue in my, like, in the area. Like, in the nail. On camera, it's like, yes, like, you got little nails. In real life, hon, it looked like I got on pieces of plastic. These look like doggy claws. Like, these look like paws. Like, wow, I said doggy paws and the dog started barking outside. They know. They like, sis, stop jocking my paws. Like, this is mine. Dogs out there are losing it. You hear that? I don't know if y'all can hear the dog barking, but it's a dog outside barking. He know what's going on up here. He telling all his friends, he like, yo, the girl upstairs, the new one that just moved in, she up there trying to jock our style and get that claw look on. I can't rock it like y'all. Calm down. Woo, 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 woo. Come on. Wow, they look a mess. So from afar though, it's like, girl, you got your nails done? Yeah, girl, natural. It's just like a natural look. Like, I don't really like colors. I just like to keep it a natural nude. Up close, it's like, girl, is that tape on your nails? So yeah. So this is the pack. This is just like Kiss acrylic. I don't know. They feel strong though. Like, this one is not coming off. I don't know. They're all sturdy. I don't know if it's because they're shorter. So I'm not gonna lie. I cannot lie. I cannot tell a lie. So maybe if you do these better and you know how to like properly do them. I feel like I did them right though. All you gotta do is put glue on them and stick them on. Out of all the nail kits, this one is the easiest. Yes. Now for looks, I gotta give it like a 3 or 4. Or I don't want to do that because I feel like I did something wrong. There's some bubbles in here, you know, just things that other people might be able to avoid. But me being the, you know, crackhead and the person that I am, I didn't avoid them. So there's that. So yeah.
Sis.
Huh?
I love your nails. Oh my god.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I got them done. I just got them done.
Oh really? Let me see.
Oh yeah, here you can see them. Here.
Oh no. Bring them closer.
Oh, up close?
Let me see.
Oh, you wanna? That's not necessary. That's
just let me see.
No.
Oh, what is this?
There they go.
You do me. These is ugly. These are plastic. Is that tape on your nails, sis? You're broke. You gotta do better. This is terrible.
This is a $7 kit.
I'm over here thinking that you on fleek. That's your fire, and you look a mess.
Because I didn't have no money.
What is that on your hands?
I just paid my bills. I spent my money on the strawberries. If I didn't buy the strawberries, I probably could have got the nails. That's not necessary. That wasn't necessary for you to do. Stop. That's how I imagine the rest of my week is gonna go with these nails. But that's fine, because if somebody really wants to say something, they can post up before I cry. All right, I'm done. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok. I'm gonna link them below. And if you don't, you're fake. And I can't believe we're growing so fast, y'all. We're gonna be at 200K in no time. I love y'all so much. Taylor. I'm not gonna call myself Taylor Gang because there's already 50 Taylor Gangs out there. Y'all know that. So we need to think of something to call our squad. Like something to call y'all, like y'all pancakes or what. Like whatever. I'm gonna go. Mwah. Bye.